Hello students, we are starting the new chapter that is high performance workplace practices. In today's session, I will be explaining you the impact of high performance workplace practices on employee satisfaction, productivity and retention in IT companies. Before I start with the topic, first of all, I would like to tell you the benefits of studying high performance workplace practices. Students will be able to know that no industry can work without people, and it is the human resources who make the industry successful. So these students recognize your strength and move on in the right direction. An important thing is every industry employs 60% of the young people because these people have an ability to perform multiple tasks at one go. So at the time of lockdown, we should take care of our health and at the same time, we should also learn to improve our skills. So let's start with the topic that is high performance workplace practices in IT companies. As we all know that every sector has its core competencies, and so far as the IT sector is concerned, its core competencies have always been manpower. So it is important to implement best HR practices to satisfy and retain high performers in the organization. Old HR practices are not fit to gain competitive advantage in the organization. Therefore, IT sector have come out with innovative HR practices which is known as high performance workplace practices. For example, TCS, Wipro and Infosys has high employee satisfaction as compared to other IT companies. TCS, Infosys and Wipro have brought changes to a large extent in high performance workplace practices to satisfy their employees for the longer time. But so far as attrition rate is concerned, attrition rate is very high in HCL. Now, I would like to tell you something about the introduction related to high performance workplace practices and its impact on employee satisfaction, productivity, and retention. As we all know that high performance workplace practices is an independent factor and employee satisfaction, productivity and retention is a dependent factor. It means that employee satisfaction, productivity and retention are totally dependent on high performance workplace practices. In the same way, high performance workplace practices will also dependent on employee involvement, human resource practices and reward and commitment practices. High performance workplace practices are generally adopted by profitable organizations. Aston and Sung introduced high performance workplace practices in 2005 and broadly categorized high performance workplace practices into three parts, that is employee involvement practices, human resource practices and reward and commitment practices. So it is important to understand these three broad categories which come under high performance workplace practice. Let's discuss it one by one. So first we have employee involvement practices. Employee involvement practices is a critical success factor for the organization in a competitive environment. Employee involvement practices encourage employees to contribute his best by involving themselves in important matters. Types of involvement practices are sharing of information, staff suggestion schemes, self-managed teams, and all these schemes that we have already discussed in the previous classes. Second practices we have human resource practices. Any practices that deals with developing competencies, satisfaction, retention is considered as human resource practices. Some of the human resource practices are human resource planning, recruitment, selection, induction, training, development, performance appraisal, reward and recognition. And third one is reward and commitment practices. Reward and commitment practices facilitate a great sense of belongingness and commitment among employees. Types of reward and commitment practices we have pay for performance. Pay for performance means monetary compensation be planned in such a way each and every employee is paid according to their as per their capabilities. Second one is profit sharing. Sharing of profit also gives a sense of ownership among the employees. Flexi time. Nowadays, successful IT companies have provided flexi hours for the employees. And fringe benefits. Fringe benefits is a type of welfare schemes adopted for its implies. It means overall we can say that high performance workplace practices is highly correlated with employee satisfaction, productivity and retention. And if sufficient high performance workplace practices are implemented by the organization, the employee feels satisfied, their productivity can be enhanced and employee can be retained for the longer duration. And in the last, I would like to conclude that as per the Aston and Sung in 2005, He also discussed about the types of people, those who work with any type of organization. The four types of people work in every industry are the people who are highly committed, people who are highly productive, people who are highly diplomatic, and people who are of flickering mind. First one is highly committed people. Highly committed people are those employees who have a long stay in the organization and they are the strong pillar of the organization. 20% highly committed people are needed for the existence and to maintain the core values of the organization. Second one is we have that is highly productive. Highly productive are the highly engaged employee. Maximum work is done by the highly productive employees. 60% 60% highly productive employees are needed to increase the productivity and profitability of the organization. Highly productive employees are also known as highly engaged employee. So far as the highly diplomatic employees are concerned, highly diplomatic people are very cunning, smart, and shrewd. But they have an ability to influence others. They have an ability to take work from others. So organization need 10% highly diplomatic people in the organization. And fourth one is flickering mind. Flickering mind, we also need 10% people who are of flickering mind, especially like in education institution at the time of at the time of admissions we need flickering mind people for the short time. Every industry, like in the last I would like to say that every industry uses high performance workplace practices to keep these employees satisfied so that their productivity can be enhanced and retain them for the longer time. Thank you so much.